Welcome to another episode of Cook Carter's Crappy Cramped Kitchen of Chaos. Today I just wanted to show you real quick why we're in the quarantine. What I like to put in my chicken, or in this case I'm doing tuna salad today. And of course you have to have your tuna. Just got some chicken of the sea stuff, some yogurt, salt and pepper, which is not on screen, a little bit of lime juice, probably about a stalk of celery. And I'm not going to use the whole apple, but I'm just showing you it's apple. Hard-boiled egg, like 4 or 6 walnuts, 4 or 6 pecans. I forget if I actually put onion in it or not, but in this case I'm not going to be using any onion. So I like to cut the celery and the apple into tiny little cubes. I'll show you that in just a moment. And I just break up the nuts a little bit, and I'll stir it all up and put it on some toasted bread. Be back in a sec. Okay, so you got to boil the egg. I already boiled the water. I turned the heat off. It is completely submerged, and we put the timer on for 12 minutes. Okay, so I chopped everything up while the hard-boiled egg was cooking, and now it's just cooling down. I forgot to show the lime juice or the limes. I just put just a little splash, not even probably maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon of that, because I've got the apple and the celery. And I also forgot that I like to put a little bit of honey in, just to help a little bit of sweetener, just like, you know, like that. That's good. Okay, look at that hard-boiled egg. I almost didn't cook that long enough. I probably cut it off just shy of 12 minutes. So I'm gonna remove that carefully by itself, just in case it bursts. Normally, if you're making this and it's not completely cooked, yeah, not quite. I would have cooked this a little longer, but just for this experiment, just for the sake of the video, just assume that was completely cooked through. This is just for me, so I don't mind. I'm going to eat it anyway. And that's going to get messed up anyway, so I don't even need to cut that out. So we add the egg. Let's try that again. We add the egg and mix it all up. Okay, so now we got that all mixed up. Got our Trader Joe's white bread toasted, and we're going to scoop some out. Put too much on, you won't be able to put the topper on the bread. That's good. One last thing I forgot to include in the video is, if you're a fan of curry like me, I also add some curry powder to the mix for even more flavor. Maybe have some chips and a drink, or pretzels, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, whatever. If you want to know what kind of knives I was using, check the description below. These are very inexpensive. Duh, put it in front of the camera. These are very inexpensive knives, and they keep a good edge, and for the money, can't really beat them. Until next time.